In 2023, we moved to a remote Scottish island to be its only two residents, along with our pet sheep and cats, beginning our YouTube journey there by sharing the challenges of such a solitary life in a harsh environment, while restoring an ancient stone cottage and raising livestock. The channel's success grew quickly, establishing an online community who share our love of history and kinship and yearn for a simpler time. Now we've begun a new life in the beating heart of the Highlands, and we invite you to join us as we put down roots in this land of legend, of rich tradition and culture, and incredible landscapes where the past is close at hand. Step back in time with us in this Scottish Isle.
I've been to Glen Affric before, been twice. It's on the other side of the water, and it's Caledonian forest. Not too dissimilar to the west coast and the island. There's no roads. It's a hiking trail. You can walk all the way up round the glen in a circular walk and back again. It takes about 5 hours. And right at the very far end of the glen, there's an old bothy, which I think hikers, it's a stop-off point. You can stay overnight in it for free. I don't know how to pronounce the name of this place, but we'll go back. There's a ruined house there. We'll go back there another day, which is where Lord Tweedmouth first bred two dogs together to make the golden retriever. So there's like a festival there, like once a year, I think, where there's just like hundreds and hundreds of golden retrievers running about all over the place. There's also Plodda Lodge, I think, or Plodda Cottage, which we passed, the semi-ruinous building on the way here, which we'll stop and film you on the way back. But anyway, for now, we're going to go and see the falls, aren't we?
Well, I can only just hear you because of the sound of the rushing of the water and the wind and the trees.
Yeah, something tells me the falls are that away.
Yeah, it's a bit loud, isn't it?
Yeah. I've got a really nice photograph of myself and my late father. I don't think I'll have access to it though, because I don't have my PC. But yeah, we walked that together. Dad was an avid hiker. He did the West Highland Way and the Fife Coastal Route and all that. Let's go.
It's a lovely woodland walk, isn't it?
Incredibly beautiful trees. The sheep would like to eat some of them.
It's a really, really nice spot, this, isn't it? Bit windy, isn't it? It might be the big reveal. You ready? Wow.
I've just seen a little bridge of sorts, which I've seen in photographs, and I know what's at the end of it. You don't, so you go first.
Okay.
Hold on tight to the gimbal.
Oh,
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I can't walk out on that.
now Katie is not very good with heights at all. Look, seriously, Katie, I'll hold your hand. We won't film it. Just walk out. You've got to see it. You have to see it. You can't come here and not look at that. I'll walk with you. We won't take the camera. You can walk as slowly as you want. Right, look, if you don't want to do it, you don't have to do it. But you will regret not looking at that. It's mind-blowing.
I don't know.
Okay. Katie suffers quite severely from vertigo, so she couldn't come and do it. She got so far, but then she had to give in, which is fair enough. But I have to say that this is one of the most spectacular things that I've ever seen. You have to come to Plodda Falls, especially when it's raining or after some like insane rainfall like we've just had. This is crazy. That's a platform that I was just standing on. It's insane.
I can't believe what I'm looking at.
No, it's just
It's okay. It's better than the falls at Clyde.
I said when I was on the thing, this is one of the best things I've ever seen.
You see where you were standing?
Yeah.
Show them.
Oh. drone, and the idea was to, fly the drone and show you the waterfall from that perspective. It's just too powerful. The water vapour coming off it, I'd be too scared of losing it.
Maybe in the spring or summer, when it's less of a force of water.
I can't take it off from here and fly it through these trees. This area here, yeah, would be fine to take it up and down. But the water vapour is, I'm getting drenched standing here. I just don't want to take the risk. I don't mind flying it from the platform, just over and looking down, but I can't do this.
No.
Which is what I wanted to do. It's just mad. You have to come to Plodda Falls. You have to come here. Any final thoughts before we move on?
This is the best waterfall I've ever seen. The best waterfall I've ever seen.
Yeah. I wouldn't have thought there was something like this in the UK.
And we picked the right day.
Absolutely.
It's what you call brackish. Brackish water.